let's talk about the basics of maturity. Kasi 'di ba, the ability to create decisions or sound decisions is also affected by being matured or being more experienced about the world. So, kung hindi pa ganap or kung sapat nga ba ang maturity ng minors, paano natin ma-ensure or is there a way for us to determine that they are making informed and safe decisions kung walang gabay ng magulang? In your case, gusto mo, walang gabay ng magulang, right? In your case, ang sabi mo is kailangan ng parental consent. How effective is that, Z?
According to the research po na if a parent allows their children to do those kind of things on their own, mas nagiging responsible po sila sa mga actions na ginagawa po nila. So, kapag inahayaan mo po sila, nagbibigay ka po ng trust sa kanila, mas nagiging yung magulang ko, pinaniniwalaan nila na hindi ko to gagawin. Kaya in that way, kahit may access man sila o wala, dahil may tiwala yung magulang sa kanila, hindi nila gagawin yung bagay na yon.
And based on scientific studies, ang prefrontal cortex ng isang bata o yung parte ng isang utak ay hindi pa fully developed. So,
Until what age?
Until 25 po. So, ang prefrontal cortex ng isang bata hindi pa fully developed. So, mas prone sila sa impulsiveness at hindi nila alam ang long-term consequence. Ang purpose ng prefrontal cortex is to decision making and planning. So, if di pa fully develop yung prefrontal cortex nila, paano nila ma-access ang birth control ng tama at safe?
Pero nga, hindi lahat ng tao, it doesn't mean na hindi sila matured enough. Ikaw ba, hindi ka na matured enough to make decisions on your own?
What do you have to say? Do you think you're mature enough?
I think po is no. Kasi po, I think po na I'm only 17 years old pa lang po. So,
What's the basis of maturity? Sorry, gusto ko marinig from both of you. Anong basis ng maturity?
Ano po, from sa perspective po is experiences po.
Experiences. Ikaw?
Making decisions on your own without any guidance po.
Okay.